So we've got this M4 in today. It's in for cam alignment. So the cam alignment's a really popular thing that we do on these cars. Basically the exhaust cams can come out of line and you get like a ticking noise from cold. Sometimes you can hear it from warm. Normally when it's warm, it's too late. So let's get the car in, let's get it ripped apart, and let's find, well, I'll be able to show you more what the cam alignment issue is. So now I've got the engine all stripped down, you can see more, well, I can try and explain to you more where this noise is coming from. So this is the exhaust cam. It goes all the way along there, and you've got a cap there which is in two halves, which you can probably see the split just there. So the cam, which you can just see there, that runs along in the center of this, and what can happen is the top half and the bottom half can become misaligned, which misaligns the exhaust camshaft, which the noise can sometimes be the actual camshaft rubbing metal on metal, which we've seen before. This causes damage to the cam and also to the cam carrier. So in probably 2 or 3 cases we've had to replace the cam and cam carrier, but these cases were they'd been left for a long time and the noise was quite bad. It was doing it on cold and warm starts. This one is just on cold starts at the minute. So, and looking at the engine, it's very clean, looks like it's been very well looked after. So hopefully we'll get away with just doing a alignment on this and not need to replace anything. Normally a telltale sign if you ever take the rock cover off these is if you can feel a bit of a lip there with your finger, it's a good telltale sign that it's out. These are normally really flush and you can't feel any sort of lip there at all, but with this you can feel it scratching my finger. That's a normal telltale sign that your cam alignment's out. If you ever do remove your rocker cover, whenever we remove rocker covers on them, we always have a quick feel of that just to see what it's like, because a lot of the time the cars don't come into us cold, they come into us warm. So obviously if we feel that and we notice that there's a lip there, we'll ring the customer and say, look, have you heard any tapping from cold? And then if they say yes, then we'll say, well, we might as well do a cam alignment whilst we're in here. So we'll get this all lined up. I'll show you the process of the next part. Get the rock cover back on and we'll see how it sounds. This is the tool that we use for aligning the camshaft up. See, now it's all built back up, no noise. That is how the S55 should sound. So you can hear they're a little bit noisy, they've got a little bit of a tapping noise from the injectors, but you can't hear any tunk 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 from the cam alignment issue. So another one fixed. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see some more stuff like this, drop a like down below and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you soon.